Yes, I'm a wimp when it comes to the cold. Yes, I'm gonna sit in the truck, and I'm gonna turn it on and put the heated seats on. But we're just waiting for the water to fill right now. So there's really nothing I can do. So why stand outside in the cold?
There's no sense in two of us standing out here
when I can be toasty warm in the truck. That'll be much better. Northern Canadian wimp. And just like that, the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta is over.
till next year.
Yeah.
Looking forward to next year.
Yeah, we definitely have to come back. This was fun. Oh, all right. So now we are on our way to our next stop, which is in Pie Town.
Pie Town, New Mexico. This is the fun town to say, so we're going to Pie Town.
I wonder if there's pie there.
I doubt it.
Yeah, probably not. It's a day to move. We are moving from Pie Town. Yep, you got it right. Pie Town, New Mexico, and we are on our way to Arizona. And we're going to be in Sholo. All these names that I've never heard of before. As you can see, it's really cold. Oh my gosh, it's so windy, it's cold. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and Dave is just pumping. And then, you know, he's draining our tanks and filling with water, and God bless him for being out there in the cold. I do have to go back out, but yeah, it's cold here, and it is October, so it just feels like it shouldn't be this cold. But what do? You got to deal with the weather.
I just met these people over here.
Yeah.
And they're getting on their bikes with their panniers, and they're going bike camping.
They're going.
Yeah, they're riding out on their bikes to go bike camping.
In this weather.
40 degrees. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not only is it 40 degrees, but it's wind gusting up to 50.
Right, so they're going out. They're all set up. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Cool, cool, and cool.
How about you? Are you getting cold?
My hands, a little bit. When they get wet.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
When they get wet. All my gloves are inside from crewing on the balloons. Would beat them up pretty good.
Yeah.
So.
All right, well, I want to take the slide in, but you have some stuff in there to grab.
I'll finish up, and then I'll let you know when we're ready.
Okay, I'm gonna go listen to some good music inside and sit on the heated seats.
Yanni? You're gonna go listen to Yanni?
I'm listening to Journey right now.
Michael Bolton?
Journey.
Bolton, he's coming back.
No, he's not.
No?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Hey, we'll see you guys.
Tell me when.
Good then. Bye-bye.
Tell me when. Bye-bye.
In half a mile, arrive at Bull Hollow Lake Recreation Area.
There's a camper in front of us, and it's loaded with stickers, but I don't see a Border Hookups RVing sticker. I'm just wondering how many of those babies we can slap on the back of campers before people start to notice.
This is it, huh? Right there. I will get out and direct you in.
Stay warm.
I know, it's so cold. But the sun's out, so that's good. It's quite beautiful here with all the big trees. Our picnic table's here. And then we have quite a bit of room between us and that person. And then there's nobody over here. So that's good. So I was thinking that we had all this room on this side of us. And as Dave was backing up, I said, wait a minute. There are 2 picnic tables and 2 sets of hookups, water and electric, because this is a whole nother spot. Look at that. So we're here, and then somebody else would back in all the way back there. Boy, that's gonna be close if someone comes in.
So far, this is a great campground, is it not?
Yeah, it seems like it. I'm just trying to get ready because I got a phone call though coming in right away, so gotta get my computer. Sorry.
Got everything hooked up, and it's beautiful. Wind in the trees. It's not as windy as it was last night when we stayed in Pie Town, New Mexico. I honestly think our camper got blown crooked a little bit last night and this morning because the wind was so powerful. And when we unhooked yesterday at that RV park in Pie Town, I pulled directly straight ahead, probably 3 feet, just so I could close the tailgate. And when I came to hook up this morning, the camper was sitting like this. And it never should have done that because I pulled straight away from it. And yeah, so now I put scissor chocks in. I woke up in the middle of the night and I'm like, I should have put scissor chocks in, but we weren't really gonna blow into anything. We weren't in the Badlands where we were gonna blow into a cliff or anything. But I have them on now. They just help stabilize a little bit, and when the wind's rocking around like it is right now, it's just better safe than sorry. It takes me a minute to put them on. So beautiful here though, a lot of space. Reminds me of camping in northern Minnesota at a state park because it's just the pine trees everywhere. It's all pine trees, that's all it is. So looking forward to 2 days of no travel and just chilling out, get some work done, and call this home. I went and got firewood, and they didn't have it down at the ranger station.
Why are you so angry?
Because I had to go to Circle K to get the firewood. No, I got firewood and fireball. I got you a fireball.
You did not?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. That's true love.
Well, yeah, I like fireball rather than jewelry, so thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, you like that?
It's cheaper for me.
Right now, when I'm looking through the screen, your outfit matches the rig and our truck, the color scheme. Look at you.
We got these from Dave and Chip at Buck Hill.
I
They
know,
played a
but-
show there.
Yeah, but I'm saying you planned this, didn't you?
Yeah, I had the camper painted.
I think we should just from now on wear black and white. So that we can match.
And start a goth band.
I'll dye my hair black.
Oh boy. Look what I've started.
I'm really not gonna dye my hair black. Maybe white.
There's a fire ring up there closer to everybody else. And there's one way back here, and I figured we'd use the one way back here, kind of away from everybody else. And then if somebody shows up for this site, guess what? We already started their fire for them, and you're welcome.
We're just so nice.
We are. We're gonna start everybody's fire. There are like 50 sites here. We're just gonna go around and start all the
Like
fires.
fires?
Yeah.
Okay. Fire away. Should we sing it?
Honey, load up your questions and pick up your sticks and your stones. Just like that. It's kindling. It's a little wet. I think they had snow here. I saw a chunk of ice on the ground at Walmart today. Oh, it's wet.
Really?
Yeah.
Be careful. Smells good. This won't go into the video, will it?
No.
Well, there we go. It smells like
Team Spirit. Boy, that one's solid.
well, propane it is.
It is.
Propane fire circle it is. Bring it up.
Should I go back to the store and return the wood and buy a can of say I just need propane now?
Yes. Oh, all right, well, I guess I'll go in and make dinner because I think the fire will be started in about an hour. So
The love.
we have to eat. Well, I'm in here making a mess, although it's a good mess because I'm cooking. I've got spaghetti squash in the pressure cooker because I'm cooking it in there, and then I've got my taco meat and onions, and so green onions and peppers and some tomato sauce and stuff like that. I've got that going, but while I'm doing that, Dave is out here practicing. That's nice. I feel like I'm being serenaded while I'm cooking, so.
Now, if you're wondering if full-time RVing is sexy, well, it is 7:20 at night right now, and Jacqueline and I are trying to figure out how to stay awake until it's time to go to bed. Because we were up early this morning, because I just want to give a big shout out to the sales companies that do the robocalls at 7 a.m. With nobody on the other end of the line. So.
Oh, or with the IRS on the other end of the line, right?
The IRS has called us, I think, 7 times this month to say we're in deep trouble, that we need to get back to them right away. Yeah. Oh, and our Social Security, the Social Security company called too. The Social Security company called to say we're in deep trouble. So we are, technically we're on the lam now. Yeah. So we have to move. We can't stay in one spot too long, otherwise they'll both catch up with us. Rock and roll and RV lifestyle, one and the same. It's sexy, baby. I'm holding an SD card here, so I can't make the rock, something like that. And then I'm gonna drop it and lose it. All right. You have something more you want to say?
I try to get a word.
But what did you have to say?
No, I was just gonna add that the struggle is real when you said that, but then you went into like gang sign weird things, and now it just doesn't work.
Did I just throw RV gang sign?
I don't know what you were doing.
Is RV gang sign like pulling levers to dump the black tank? Is that? This is RV gang sign. We should start an RV gang.
I had a conversation the other night with another full-time RVer, and we were on FaceTime, and while we were on FaceTime, she was at the dump station. So she put her phone in the bay, and she was literally running by with hoses talking to me. But you know what? I understood, and I love her for it.
Can we say her name?
No.
No, we can't. Her name is, So here is the tip of the week. When putting on a new water filter, put the date on it. There you go, 10/13/21, and then you know how long this has been on there, and because you can't really tell until the thing starts to plug up. So write the date on your water filter. This has been a tip of the week. Question in the back.
So how long do you generally keep that water filter on before you change it, since you know the date on it?
Very good question, Jacqueline. I'm gonna address that. We go about 3 months.
Really?
Yeah, but it also depends on where you are. So if you are in an area that has really hard water, you're probably going to want to do it more. If we're out in the middle of the desert and they're using water out there, sometimes it's not great water, so we change it more often. You'll feel it plug up. You'll feel the pressure go down. So just keep an eye on that. We go about 3 months.
Do you feel powerful with that in your hand? You've been swinging that around as you're talking.
Yeah, a little. Did it show? Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing, and please remember to subscribe and to ding that bell so we can let you all know as to when we have more episodes coming out.
And if you liked what you saw in our video, please give us a thumbs up, and we appreciate it when you comment below. We read all the comments, and we love all your feedback. So We really hope to see you out here.
We'll see you out here. Welcome to another episode.
That would be good. Apps, I like apps. Which kind?
I like the...
I'm thinking appies, like appetizers.
Oh, I was thinking like computer apps.
I like those too.
They're tasty.
They're helpful. Oh, anyway.
All right. Welcome to another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing. I'm Dave.
And I'm Jacqueline, and we are the Border Hookups.
Yep. And what are we doing here?
Well, we were just at the Balloon Fiesta, so we were boondocking, and we decided we need a reset.
Do that, and then I'm probably gonna shave after that. After
Okay.
I'm done. And there it is.
It's a little noisy. Oh, we needed a reset, so we came to a...
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyway, watch our video. Hope you like it.